Oh, I share our WhatsApp group with Bony Khalwale. I saw that thing on WhatsApp, but as a secretariat, we've not received anything. So I'm yet to receive that petition. Yeah, but as to when it comes to the secretariat, we shall adjudicate it using the mechanisms of the party. We are a democratic party. Everybody has a right to petition. So, and the treasurer will speak on it because I'm an interested party. I don't want to sound as if I have a position, but as to when it comes, we are free. We are a democratic party. We are welcoming any petitions from the SG to the treasurer to whatever membership. We are welcoming any petition, but we are keen to sorting out any conflict amicably. Even Bony Khalwale, we emanate from the same village with him. I'll be able to sip a cup of porridge with him in the evening, talk with him, get to know what he feels, because he's my political father. I respect him so much, and we'll be able to sort out our issues with Bony Barasa. It's called Didmas Khalwale, Bony Khalwale. Yes.
Thank you so much. As the SG has said, we have been here with the deputy party leader to see the preparedness of our elections that we intend to have in the 9th of December, and we want